Imagine finishing your homework in half the time, understanding complex topics on the first try, and having a personal study assistant that works 24/7, all without a tutor and without stress. This isn't just some futuristic idea. It's happening right now. Welcome to the AI-powered revolution in learning. Today's students are no longer using the same old boring study methods. They're tapping into artificial intelligence to upgrade the way they plan, study, memorize, and succeed in school and college. And if you're still not using AI, then trust me, you're already falling behind. In this video, we're going to uncover the most powerful AI study strategies that are helping millions of students learn twice as fast, remember more than ever before, and stay way ahead of the curve, even if they're struggling with time, focus, or tough subjects. First, let's talk about how AI is reprogramming the way we learn. Unlike traditional studying, which is the same for everyone, AI gives each student a personalized study experience. Apps like Notion AI, Quizlet AI, and Scholarcy can scan textbooks, turn them into quizzes, generate organized study notes, and even summarize full chapters in minutes. Platforms like ScribeSense or MindStudio don't just give answers. They show step-by-step solutions based on how you learn best. Then there's the game changer, AI flashcards. Tools like Anki and Brainscape use spaced repetition, an AI-backed technique that predicts the exact right time for you to review what you've learned, so your brain never forgets it. Suddenly, memorizing biology terms or history dates becomes 10 times easier. But that's not all. AI also helps with study planning. No more guessing or wasting hours trying to build perfect calendars. Apps like Motion AI, My Study Life, and TaskAid can make smart study schedules based on your difficulty level, deadlines, and free time. Stuck on assignments? ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Smoden can rewrite unclear text, solve math word problems, suggest research sources, and turn bullet points into essays without plagiarizing. AI doesn't just help you study, it protects you from distractions too. Focus tools like Opal AI and Rescue Time track your habits in real time and block apps that are stealing your time without permission. And here's something everyone should know. AI doesn't replace human intelligence. It helps unlock it. Students who use AI today aren't cheating. They're using their time smarter, learning faster, and getting more done. The world is moving into a skill-first, AI-powered future. Jobs, schools, and college admissions already know this. That's why learners who grow with AI will succeed, and those who ignore it will get left behind. So whether you're a high schooler, a university student, or someone preparing for competitive exams, the smartest thing you can do right now is start using AI to learn smarter, not harder. In the next few minutes, we'll break down the top AI tools that every student must use, how to build an AI-powered study workflow, the best AI prompts for learning, and how you can use AI to stay focused, save time, and score higher. Ready to level up your learning? Let's begin. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stick around till the end, because the last tool we'll reveal might just change your entire student life.